Introducing Algori CRM, transforming the way you capture, nurture, and close customers and leads. Build better relationships and drive business growth. Let's take a quick tour of how Algori CRM can revolutionize your daily operations. Connect your paid ads like Facebook or Google and collect customer information from website forms. Have one centralized place for all communication, whether it's from Facebook, Google, email, or SMS. Start each day with a clear overview. Our intuitive dashboard puts real-time data at your fingertips, allowing you to monitor sales, marketing performance, and customer activities all in one place. Improve customer relationships with detailed profiles. Track interactions, preferences, and history without breaking a sweat. Tailor your approach to what actions potential customers are performing in your business. Streamline your sales process with our customizable pipelines. Automate routine tasks, set reminders, and move deals forward with automated or manual workflows designed to cut down your workload and close deals faster. Automate your follow-ups like never before with our advanced automation builder. Integrate email and SMS follow-ups, and even trigger calls to your team when a potential customer shows interest. Algori CRM automates the manual follow-ups, allowing you to focus on closing deals. Extend your capabilities beyond CRM with our integrated tools. Build courses, design websites, craft sales funnels, schedule social media posts, and gather customer reviews all from one platform. Algori CRM does more so you can achieve more. Ready to elevate your business? Algori CRM is more than a tool. It's your partner in growth. Schedule your live demo today or head over to our pricing page to start right away.